Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. In this video, I would be sharing my next learning. In the previous video, I discussed or I shared what all I have learned about computer's keyboard. The thing is, I am very curious about knowing that how does a computer know that if you press any key on the keyboard, how does computer know that which key is pressed? In that process, I came to know many things which I have discussed in the last video. In this video, I would be sharing much more things which I discussed recently. And in this video, I would be sharing with you that what I have learned regarding microcontrollers, processors, and many other things. So let's get started.
So while learning about how does a keyboard works, I came to know that a keyboard itself is an appliance and it has a working of its own. And how does that work? It works with the help of microcontroller. Okay, so it works with the help of microcontroller. Now, what is a microcontroller? Because a microcontroller has a processor, and then there is a ROM, there is a RAM, and then there is input output ports, and there is a timer also, clock also. So these are the these are the things which are present in the microcontroller. And why are these present? Because when a key is pressed, so let's suppose as a key is pressed, now there is a certain, with the help of matrix, let's suppose this key is pressed and computer or this matrix generates a code that okay, this x1 and y2 was pressed, the key was pressed at x1 and y2. Now how, but let's suppose S has a binary code or a signal of 100100. Let's suppose it is the signal, but how does it converts to this? Because the processor inside the computer will only process this kind of a signal. Okay, so how does x1 y2 kind of a signal converts into this? So it has to be something, and that something is a microcontroller. Now microcontroller, as I said, that it has input output ports. So when a key is pressed, the information goes to a microcontroller through input output port. Now there are certain scan codes present which are present in ROM. Okay, ROM is read only memory. So there are a set of instructions and data which is stored in read only memory, which I think has the list of codes or list of signals. Like if this x1 y2 is 00, then the code which should go outside, it should be 100100. This is my understanding, like, because these inputs will come to the processor, or it first goes to the RAM, because whenever a key is pressed, it goes to a RAM. There is different addresses, the input stores in the RAM at different addresses, and then it is taken by processor, which then processes the data and takes input from ROM also, and then an output is released that okay, this key has been pressed 100100. This is the signal which has to be forwarded. So this is my understanding of the keyboard till now, and this goes again to the processor or to the computer. So this is my understanding of the things. I don't know is it correct or not, but if it is not correct, then please let me know about it. Again, there are a few questions here and there, like adding the working of a processor, like how does a processor works, and many other things which I would be discussing in detail in the next learning. So for now, this is something which I have understood. Please do let me know if there is any clarification or correction needed in this learning. Thank you.
So this was my learning, and this learning came after going through many videos. So from next videos, you would be finding out the list of resources which I've used. And last but not the least, please do share in the comment section what do you think about the videos, or the clarification which I needed, or the understanding which I need to develop more on the subject. Thank you.